Hi, my name is Daniel, and I am 10 years old. And it's my fourth year in 4-H. I started the project by my dad because he's super good at photography. He showed me how to hold the camera. And then here's some pictures that I have taken this summer. So this is like at Bass Pro Auditorium, I guess. That part's funny right there, the frog. And there's a picture of the grasshoppers because I love nature. I used a camera and a computer to cut my photos. And also, the rules of thirds kind of makes your photos better, and so basically your main thing is in the corner, sides, like all around the edges. Never put it in the middle. Like if they're master photographer, they probably wouldn't know. So I learned by taking a lot of pictures and trying different things. I learned that if you use the rules of thirds, your photo would look a lot better. Kind of like that. If I put it in the middle, it would be like huge and it wouldn't have anything else in it. Like you want a background, right? I take lots of pictures and share them with my friends and family. One of my goals is to take at least 10 photos of anything of my choice. Thank you for listening or watching my video.